Hi, I'm sharing today an easy recipe for a deodorizer that's pretty effective. It has 3 ingredients, it's super easy. It's an essential oil of your choice, very cheap vodka, and water. You might already have these ingredients at home. And it works on a lot of things. On my couches, in my kitchen, in my bathroom for cleaning. I've tried it on my trash and it works. My nighty armpit smell. Vodka is a natural disinfectant that kills bacteria, and so does essential oil. So those two combined make a really good deodorizer and disinfectant. It really takes care of the smell, and at first it'll smell like essential oil of your choice, but then it'll smell like nothing, which I like a lot because I don't like a lot of scents going on in the home. So I'll show you guys how to make the deodorizer. 1 cup water. This is a 16-ounce bottle, so you'll need 1 part water, 1 part vodka, so that's why I'm just doing 8 ounces of water, 8 ounces of vodka, so it'll be 16 ounces, and then fill the rest with essential oil. Get a funnel if you have one, or if you're really good at pouring. I just do tap water. That's what works for me. You can do what you want. It's too full. Gotta slow down there. And then we're gonna do 1 cup of vodka. So we're gonna get crazy and make deodorizer. It's my kind of afternoon. And with the vodka, it doesn't matter what kind, as long as it's cheap and has alcohol content in it. Almost. The alcohol content is what will kill bacteria, and rubbing alcohol would also work, but it would smell like a hospital, so vodka doesn't smell. Essential oils, we're doing 55 drops. I have lavender because, you know, it's basic, and I'm a basic person. Okay, 1, 2... 55 drops because it works. Make sure to pick out an essential oil that is 100% that essential oil. Okay, Jesus, that was stressful. Then you have your deodorizer. So easy, a person like me can do it. I just shake it a lot to make sure that it gets distributed, and I shake it before I spray it too. And you can do blends of essential oils, of course. Get fancy. So I like a tangerine lavender blend. So I label this so I don't mix it up with my other concoctions. This is what I do to make this deodorizer. You can alter it to whatever your needs are. And this will make a ton. I like it a lot. It's cheap, clean, disinfectant, simple, natural. Does it do my hair better? Fancy, classy, regal. Let's go get crazy with our vodka.